Today, I am reviewing Sony Alpha 7 IV. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a professional-grade hybrid camera that can deliver outstanding still photography and equally impressive video, the Sony Alpha 7 IV, paired with the versatile 28 to 70mm zoom lens kit, deserves your full attention. This camera is part of Sony's iconic Alpha lineup and is designed to bridge the gap between high-end photo capabilities and advanced video performance, making it perfect for photographers, videographers, and content creators alike. Let's start with image quality. The Alpha 7 IV is equipped with a 33-megapixel full-frame Exmor R back-illuminated CMOS sensor, which is a huge step forward in clarity and detail. This sensor provides sharper images, richer textures, and better color accuracy, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, street photography, or professional client work, you'll notice how clean and detailed your shots look. But the sensor is just one part of the story. Sony has paired it with their next-generation BIONZ XR image processing engine, which is 8 times more powerful than the previous generation. What does this mean for you? Faster processing, smoother performance, better noise reduction at higher ISO levels, and overall quicker response when you're out shooting. It allows the Alpha 7 IV to deliver both speed and accuracy, ensuring you never miss that perfect moment. Now, let's talk about video. This is where the Alpha 7 IV really shines as a true hybrid camera. It supports up to 4K 60p 10-bit 4:2:2 video recording with full pixel readout. That means you get uncompromised image quality without pixel binning, which leads to sharper details and cleaner footage. For those who want cinematic results, the camera even provides 7K oversampling when recording 4K at 30 frames per second, giving you ultra-detailed and professional-grade visuals. Another highlight is the S-Cinetone color profile, which comes straight from Sony's professional cinema cameras. This makes it easy to achieve that signature cinematic look with natural skin tones, pleasing contrast, and rich color expression, all without needing heavy post-production. Whether you're a filmmaker, a wedding videographer, or a YouTuber, this feature alone can elevate the quality of your work. When it comes to stabilization, the Alpha 7 IV uses sensor shift image stabilization, which helps reduce camera shake and ensures steady shots. Whether you're hand-holding for photography or shooting handheld video, this built-in stabilization gives you more confidence to create smooth and sharp content without always relying on a tripod or gimbal. The included 28 to 70mm zoom lens is also a great starting point for creators. It covers a wide-to-standard focal range, making it versatile enough for landscapes, portraits, everyday photography, and even video projects. With a maximum aperture of f/3.5 to f/5.6, it provides good flexibility for different shooting conditions, and paired with the camera's excellent ISO performance, you'll still get great low-light results. Customization and shooting flexibility are also worth noting. The Alpha 7 IV supports multiple aspect ratios including 16:9, 3:2, and 4:3, so you can tailor your shooting style to match the needs of your projects. It also supports modern file formats like JPEG, RAW, and HEF, giving you flexibility for both professional workflows and quick sharing. For metering, the camera provides multi-zone, spot, center-weighted average, and highlight-weighted options, ensuring accurate exposures even in tricky lighting situations. This makes it reliable whether you're shooting in bright daylight, low-light concerts, or high-contrast environments. Of course, being part of the Sony E-mount system, the Alpha 7 IV is compatible with a massive selection of lenses, ranging from affordable primes to professional-grade G master lenses. This gives you room to expand your creative toolkit as your photography or videography journey grows. Finally, let's talk about who this camera is for. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is not just for professionals, but also for serious enthusiasts and hybrid creators. If you're a photographer who also shoots video, or a videographer who wants stunning stills, this camera balances both worlds beautifully. It also offers features for live streaming and content sharing, making it a future-proof option in today's digital-first world. In summary, the Sony Alpha 7 IV with a 28 to 70mm lens kit is a complete hybrid solution. With its 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, powerful BIONZ XR processor, 4K 60p 10-bit video, cinematic color profiles, and advanced image stabilization. It delivers the tools you need to create professional quality content across photography and filmmaking. If you've been searching for a camera that does it all, sharp stills, beautiful cinematic video, and modern connectivity, the Alpha 7 IV is one of the best choices on the market today.